Are you thinking about getting free Robux from rbux.io? Before you rush in, you really need to hear this because what I found might save your account and your personal information. rbux.io claims you can earn free Robux just by entering your Roblox username, no password needed. But when you look deeper, things start to look shady. First of all, the domain was registered only 1 day ago, which is a huge red flag for any platform asking for user details. It promises thousands of Robux without any clear method, which honestly sounds too good to be true. And usually when something sounds like that, it is. There's absolutely no official connection with Roblox, and nothing on their website even hints at a real partnership. Instead of delivering Robux, the site redirects users to random third-party websites that often ask for even more information, which raises serious concerns about safety and scams. There's no contact information, no company background, no real Trustpilot reviews to check, and the site scores very low in trust rankings with no proper social media presence either, which usually indicates a website you shouldn't trust. After checking everything, rbux.io doesn't come across as fully legit but also hasn't been outright proven to scam users yet. So while there's no clear evidence of theft, the risks are high enough that it's really not worth gambling your Roblox account or your personal data just for the promise of free Robux. Stay smart and stay safe online.